Jessie Woodbury, Anatomy 3, blood vessels. The arteries pump oxygenated blood. They have narrow lumens. They are strong because of the blood pumping at high pressure. Arteries pump blood away from the heart and deoxygenated blood to the pulmonary artery. Veins. Veins have thin walls, they are less elastic and muscular. The blood pressure is low, they have wide lumens. They also have valves to prevent backflow and return of blood to the heart. Venules are vessels formed from capillaries. They drain blood from our capillaries to the veins. Arterioles branch into smaller arteries when near tissue. They have smooth muscle to control blood flow. Capillaries are the thinnest blood vessel. They have a single layer of endometrial cells, and this brings them close to the cells, getting rid of oxygen, CO2, H2O. This also creates slats in blood and tissues. Large amounts cover muscle for exchanges of gases. The blood. The function of the blood is for temperature control, which is vasodilation, the prevention of infection and disease, and it also transports oxygen, CO2, glucose, proteins, fats, vitamins, hormones, enzymes, platelets, and electrolytes. Red blood cells. These have no nucleus. They contain hemoglobin. They are bioconcave shape and they are red in colour. The function of the red blood cells is to transport oxygen. It's well suited to its function because it absorbs and carries oxygen well, and they have no nucleus, so there's more space for hemoglobin. White blood cells are larger than red blood cells. They have a nucleus and they change shape. The function of white blood cells is to fight infection and disease, and it's suited to its function because it produces antibodies to digest bacteria. Platelets are little bits of cells that have factor VIII. These help blood clot and fight infection. When exposed to the air, the factor VIII is sticky and prevents blood loss, for example, scabs on our skin. Plasma is yellow. It's the liquid part of the blood. It's 55% plasma. It transports enzymes, CO2, electrolytes, and fats. The respiratory system. The function of the respiratory system is to get air into and out of the lungs so that gas exchange can occur in the alveoli. Gas exchange is the process of oxygen moving from into the blood and carbon dioxide moving into the other direction. The structure of the respiratory system goes in through our nasal cavity, into our mouth, into the larynx, into the pharynx, into the trachea, into the right bronchus, the left bronchus, right lung, into the bronchioles, the alveoli, capillaries, and then the diaphragm.